Are you looking for the best sublimation printer? In this video we will look at some of the best sublimation printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2400. To be clear, the Epson EcoTank ET2400 wireless color super tank printer isn't a dedicated sublimation printer, at least not when it arrives brand new. You'll need to make a few changes, including swapping out the included ink with dedicated sublimation printer ink and installing some new drivers you download directly from Epson. The process is refreshingly easy. Just Google convert Epson EcoTank ET2400 to sublimation for great info. And given the low upfront cost, it's well worth a bit of effort to create your own sublimation printer. Once converted, this printer will yield excellent graphics that you can put on t-shirts, mugs, placards, and other materials. It can print images as large as a legal-sized piece of paper, its ink tanks are easy to refill when low on ink, and it can be controlled over Wi-Fi or with a direct USB connection. If you're the least bit tech hardware handy and want a reasonably priced sublimation printer, this is the one for you. Number 2. Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500. The Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500 sublimation color printer comes bundled with lots of materials for professional jobs and prints at 19 pages per minute, so you can create enough output for commercial orders. Although the maximum print size is 8.5 by 14 inches out of the box, using an optional bypass tray that goes up to 8.5 by 51 inches. That means you can print stunning banners, advertisements, or custom wall art. At 18 inches wide and 16 deep and weighing 15 pounds. This printer isn't so large that it will take a lot of workspace despite the large print sizes. Note that you can get to work not only with original designs but also with scores of pre-made designs from Sawgrass, as the printer comes with 5 sublimation design access cards, each of which can be used to download up to 30 designs. The one thing it doesn't come with much of is ink, so plan to order refills at the same time that you order the printer if you have a lot of projects lined up, though you should get several dozen prints before the included ink runs out. Number 3. Epson Workforce WF7720. In the ever-evolving landscape of sublimation printing, the Epson Workforce WF7720 emerges as a standout choice, striking the perfect balance between performance, affordability, and versatility. As a true powerhouse, this sublimation printer proves that you don't have to break the bank to achieve professional-grade results. At the heart of the Epson WF7720 lies the precision core technology, delivering performance beyond traditional laser printers. This innovation ensures sharp, detailed prints that capture the essence of your designs, making every garment a canvas for your creativity. The WF7720 transforms your t-shirt printing experience with its ability to produce borderless prints up to 13 inches by 19 inches. Whether you're crafting intricate designs or bold graphics, the print shop quality achieved by this printer adds a touch of professionalism to every creation. This Epson Workforce model lives up to its name by being economical in both cost and energy consumption, utilizing up to 80% less power compared to color laser printers. It not only saves on operational costs but also contributes to a greener printing environment. Number 4. Epson SureColor P900. The Epson SureColor P900 stands as a true maestro in the realm of sublimation printing, where every detail matters, and every color tells a story. Tailored for discerning artists and professionals, this smooth sublimation printer redefines the expectations of image quality, color accuracy, and ease of use. The P900 introduces the all-new Ultra Chrome Pro 10 ink with violet, producing a breathtakingly wide color gamut. The result is an unparalleled vibrancy and richness in colors, making every print a masterpiece. This ink innovation raises the bar, ensuring that your t-shirt designs are not just printed but crafted with an artistic finesse. Bid farewell to the inconvenience of black ink switching. The P900 boasts dedicated nozzles for both photo and matte black inks, eliminating the need for manual switching. This seamless feature ensures a continuous workflow, allowing you to focus on your creativity without interruptions. The 10-channel micro-piezo AMC printhead is the heartbeat of the P900, consistently delivering prints with outstanding speed, accuracy, and, most importantly, unwavering consistency. This precision ensures that your designs are reproduced with the same brilliance every time, maintaining the integrity of your artistic vision. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET2720. The Epson EcoTank ET2720 emerges as a beacon of affordability and sustainability in the realm of sublimation printers, redefining expectations for those seeking an economical yet eco-conscious option for t-shirt printing. As a cheap sublimation printer, the ET2720 demonstrates that cutting costs doesn't mean compromising on print quality or environmental responsibility. The standout feature of the EcoTank ET2720 lies in its commitment to environmental responsibility. By eliminating the need for traditional cartridges, this printer significantly reduces cartridge waste, contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable future. For eco-conscious consumers, this zero cartridge waste attribute is a compelling reason to choose the EcoTank series. Beyond its sublimation printing capabilities, the ET2720 is equipped with a built-in scanner and copier. The high-resolution flatbed scanner ensures quality reproductions of documents, while the color display simplifies the copying process and navigation. This multifunctionality adds value to the printer, making it a versatile tool for various printing needs.